we can get back on track. Bring a hold of the swag, a hold of the demeanor this week.
Hey, man, come on. Let's go. It's all about physicality and violence today. Physicality and violence.
The joy and excitement of Minnesota Vikings football is in the air.
That's right.
Smith and Thielen left, Adam is slot left, Diggs solo alone to the right on first down play action. Cousins bootlegs out to the left, plants the foot, fires deep right, man there, caught. Thielen, 5, touchdown!
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Put on the gas.
Guys, go play doctor. You know what it is.
Cook, grinding, touchdown! Second and 7 from the 28. Carr from under center. 5-step drop. Passes right. Intercepted at the 42-yard line by Harrison Smith. The hitman with an interception. Cousins under center. He puts Diggs in motion to the right. They're going to hand it to Adam Thielen, and he walks into the end zone. Rushing touchdown, Adam Thielen.
Gavin says we're pounding beef right here. Yeah. Okay, sir. Right there, put my foot in the ground and go. Look at all the windows there. Okay, run through that trash.
Madison remains in there on 2nd down and 4 from the 10.
C.J. Ham out to the left, Madison the tailback. Alexander gets the carry, room up the middle inside the 5. Touchdown, Alexander Madison! His first National Football League touchdown makes it 27-7 Minnesota.
Look is over. Look is over. We're hard. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm talking out. Slow. Come on. Oh, that ain't me, bro. That ain't me, bro. I would have panicked the hell, bro.